Nobody in this world can deny the fact that our habit builds us. Whatever we are today, wherever we are, is because of how we do things, what our habits are, what we are doing each and every day, right? And if you are somebody looking for that how to improve your habits, how to have a 1% betterment each and every day in your life so that you can foresee a better and incredible future, then this video is going to help you a lot. Alright, so if you're somebody really looking for improving your habits, adding something in your day-to-day life that can build you positively, that can compound you positively, then you have to watch this video till the end. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified for my each and every new video upcoming. And press the thumbs up button if you like the video, and share this video to a lot of your friends so that they can also foresee a better future. They can also improve themselves 1% each day, because you know what, when you improve yourself 1% a day, there comes a time in a year you are 37 times of yourself. That means you are better 37 times of yourself. Alright, so this is an amazing fact. So only a difference of 1% each day can make that. Alright, so without any more ado, let's get started with the video and let's look at the 12 habits that can make you prosper the whole of your life. Habit number 1, learn something new today that can take you closer towards your goal tomorrow. So you have to keep on learning, doing things, implementing that, and also teaching it. So you have to follow the golden triangle every day, and you will definitely find improvement in yourself. And let me tell you one thing, that when you start building habits in yourself, it's not like that it'll show the results just right then, but it is going to take time, just as a bamboo tree. When you sow it, it takes 5 to 6 years to elongate their roots, and then all of a sudden in 6 weeks it grows such heights, it reaches such a height that nobody can imagine, just only in few couple of weeks. So you don't worry about the result, but you follow these habits each and every day, and I'm really very sure that it is going to make a difference in yourself. Okay, so moving ahead, the second habit, break a sweat every day through physical exercise, cause emotion creates motion. So you have to exercise each and every day, alright? For 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, doesn't matter, but you have to break a sweat every day. Third habit, simplify everything, because there is a great power in simplicity. Alright, be minimalistic, be minimalism. Don't have so many things clutter with you, alright? Just be simple. Fourth, have a clear vision of the future you want to create. It's not only about the clarity of your future, but it's also about the clarity of your present. The clarity, what are you going to do in this present moment? Like, you are going to eat, or you're going to drink, or you're going to read, or you're going to write. So that has to be clear, and why are you going to do that, alright? So this is a very important habit that you should have the clarity of whatever you are doing, alright? So if you want to have if you want to set your goals, if you want to have the clarity, then I have given you the link in the I button with my to my goal setting video, so make sure you check the video. And next to it, fifth, give away that what you want to get more of. So if in case you want to get more knowledge, then you have to give knowledge. If you want to get more gratitude, then you have to pay gratitude, alright? So give that thing you want to have the more of. Sixth, do not at all settle for good enough. Always give your best. Always commit to excellence in everything you do, alright? I'm not saying to be perfect, but I'm saying to give the best from your side.